Hi everyone, it's Judy, and I know it's been a hot minute since I've been uploading videos. My husband had total knee replacement surgery, and if you are considering this or your loved one is considering this, it is a lot more involved than you would think. So it's been 6 weeks. He is just going back to work, and I'm getting some time to do some videos. And I did a thing, and I wanted to share it with you all. Okay, some of you know I've done a video on this before for my friend Shell. Hi, Shell. About lip scents. Absolutely love this lip scents. Okay, I am wearing today Black Cherry. I don't know if you can see that or not. I have never worn red in my entire life. It just... Let me tell you a little bit about my history. I didn't wear a whole lot of makeup in high school. You know, we all wore makeup, but I didn't overdo it, I guess. And I never wore color on my lips. I might have worn like a pink lip gloss, but that was about it. When I was 18, I joined the Army, and I don't know about you, but I haven't seen any women in fatigues with red lipstick. I always had chapstick or maybe a non-color gloss. Probably not even that a whole lot. But I never wore any colors. I did wear makeup. I always had on mascara and a little bit of blush, but nothing on my lips. And I had seen lip scents at some of the craft shows that we did, but I just, no, that's not for me. I just don't do color. Hello, cat. And then I started, my hair went purple. It's silver now. Well, it's kind of silvery blonde. I'm not, you can label it any way you want. And I wanted to try purple, and my friend Shell said, you know, Lip Scents has a really pretty purple called Giddy Up. And I'm like, okay, I'll try it. And the one thing I did not like about wearing lipstick is that it comes off on everything. And I am not, well, I do like makeup, and I do like to do my hair. Hello, cat. I do not like to be in the bathroom reapplying my lipstick. It's just, no, I can't do that. You know, it's not me. It's not who I am. And this lipstick doesn't come off. Yeah. Now the gloss will come off, but the Lip Scents color underneath will not. And like I said, this is a Black Cherry. I've never worn red. You've seen me wearing purples before, but I've never worn reds, and I actually really like this. And this lasts beyond me videotaping. It will last me for the entire day. I might have to reapply the gloss, you know, after I have my coffee. But I never have to reapply the color. You have to take the color off. Well, I fell in love with this. Black Cherry is one of my recent acquisitions. But, you know, I'm spending a lot of money. And if you become a distributor, you get a discount. I love discounts. Yep. And I love all the funky colors that they are coming out with in Lip Scents. Now this Black Cherry is pretty calm, but you've seen me in the Giddy Up. You've seen me in, I think it's called Purple Volt. Really, really love that they're coming out with funky new colors. So I signed up with SeneGence to be a distributor. I am really liking this product. Not only do I like the lip colors, which there are so many of, but they also have a neck cream, which I've been using that I really like. So we're going to give this a try. So what I wanted to do today was, if I haven't already put it in the thumbnail, I don't know, who knows, I might not, I might, is an unboxing. This is my first real order. So I open the box, because you know how much I hate opening boxes, because the one time I'm going to open a box on camera, you know that it's just not going to work. So we always pop the top. And you know, this is an order that I picked out. When you got the lip kit to begin with, they sent you the colors. I got to pick out all the stuff in here, which, yay. This is the beauty book. They sent me some of this in my starter kit. Okay, so let's see what I got in the box. Yay. And this, it came really, really quick. I was really surprised. I ordered it on Friday and it was here on Monday. That being said, Monday was also Veterans Day and it came FedEx. Okay. I see these two products right on top and they're not colors, so I'm just going to go ahead and show them to you. This is moisturizer. Now, I was given one piece of advice before I left for basic training, and that was to moisturize my elbows. Yeah, my mom, hi, told me to moisturize. She doesn't remember this at all. So I've always thought moisturizing was really, really important. And theirs is supposed to be really, really good. So I am all for moisturizing. This is daytime moisturizer. Normie, I can speak, really I can. Normal to oily. So we're gonna try this out. Okay, this is the eye illuminator. Now, isn't it a cute little bottle? I don't know if you can see how that it kind of juts out there. Whoops, maybe if I put it in the center of the screen, you can see it. Yay. Let me look up exactly what, because I could describe it to you till I'm blue in the face and probably would sound like an absolute idiot. Okay, so this is the eye illuminator. The perfect blend of SeneDerm eye cream and Make Sense foundation pearlizer to help make your skin more beautiful around the eye area. It brightens and highlights while moisturizing upon application. Perks up tired eyes in the afternoon too. It's vitamin A almond oil and something I am not going to try to pronounce. KUKUI seed oil. And as you get older, I think even when I was younger, I always had an issue with how my eyes looked. I always wanted them brighter and less the bags under your eyes. Like I said, I was in the Army. I can't wait to try this. So let's get into the other start, the colors. So let's see what's in here. Okay, I got a lip liner in berry because I just wanted to try that out. I do like a lip liner. For the rare occasions that I ever did wear any color. Oh, and this is one of the glosses, and I'm not even going to try to show you because it is so sparkly you can't see the writing on it. This is glitter gloss. Galaxy glitter, I'm sorry, which I can't wait to try on some of the lighter tones. That's going to be so pretty. I've noticed that while the Lip Sense color doesn't come off, these are really highly pigmented, so sometimes the glitter, the gloss will come off. So this is Galaxy. I will remember the names. This is Galaxy glitter. And this, the one thing I always wore was mascara and eyeliner. I love eyeliners. And this is, where do they put the colors on here? I don't know. This is, oh, it's just called Purple. This is an eyeliner with purple, so soon you'll see me with purple eyeliner, because, yeah. And that's going to go with something else I know that I ordered, so purple eyeliner. And like I said, I've always worn mascara and I've always worn eyeliner. Those are the two things that if I didn't wear anything else, at least I had those on. And I know in recent years I've not been wearing eyeliner, so I'm kind of excited. Let me tell you, my son's 29 years old, love him to death, but he has the longest beautiful eyelashes. I am so jealous. Mine are wussy and wimpy, and he has these long, beautiful eyelashes. I've always been really, really jealous of that. So they had Lash Extend, Black Lash Lengthener. I am super duper excited to try this out. Let's see what else is in the bag. Box. It's a box, but there's bags inside the box, so that counts, right? Okay. And you know I was going for the purple first, right? So this was a set that I ordered. And this is a Lip Sense. And it's another purple. This is Majestic Purple. Yeah, I can't wait to try that. My purple collection of Lip Sense is growing. And then, just because they have Regal Plum Lash Sense. So this is a purple mascara. Oh, I can't wait to try that. Okay. Oh, and I'll put those back in the bag. If you're one of my purple girls, you will totally get why I love... And yes, in my teenage years, I did wear different colored mascara. I don't know if they had purple, but I do remember the blue. Oh my goodness, could I do a blue mascara? But yeah, that's going to be fun. So you're going to see me with those. I don't know if I'll demo them, but you will definitely see me wearing those. Okay, I have one more bag left. And this was also a kit. And I saw these colors and I'm just like, and I saw somebody demoing the colors and layering the colors. Because, like, you don't just have to use one color. You can use 2 colors. And they just do perfectly. And I like these little bags. These are really cool. I like those. Okay. So, what came in my kit? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh, these are absolutely freaking gorgeous. Let me get up here close to the screen so you can see these. This is the color remover, so we will take that right out of there. But look at all these pretty colors. Okay, let's see. This is the Oops remover. Like I said, this is what you do when you're done and you're ready to go to bed or you want to change your colors. You put this on. And I probably should demo that because I'm already throwing it on the floor. Because while I have demoed me putting it on, I have never actually demoed me taking it off. And I actually had to show my mom. Oh my goodness, this is... And you have to shake it up really well because it's very well pigmented. This is Tahitian Pearl. Oh my goodness. That is going to be gorgeous. And this is the gloss. Okay, yeah, I thought it was. I needed to make sure. So... this seals in your color. Is that not pretty, pretty, pretty? Okay, so that's a gloss. And these other 3 are colors. Okay. Oh my goodness. I absolutely love this color. Is that not... Oh, I can't wait to try that. Peacock Pearl. And then these 2. Oh my goodness, the possibilities of mixing these. Like, I can't wait to try the Black Cherry with, this is Silver Luster over top of it. And then this one, Chocolate Copper. Oh my goodness, this is so pretty. Love all these beautiful colors. I'm sorry, you can go into CVS and even Ulta because I've already told you I was an Ulta fan. And for starters, the long-lasting lipstick to me doesn't last. I'm sorry, it just doesn't. This lasts for me. I really like it. I think it looks good on me. It can last all day. I recently wore it on a trip to someplace in Florida. And even with all the food and wine festival. I should have taken some video, huh? All day. I think it says 18 hours. I can't remember, but I really like it. It's easy to put on. It's easy to, well, it's not easy to take, how do I phrase this? It's not easy to, I don't know. It stays on until you take it off. But once you go to take it off, it's not a difficult process. And did I do well with that? I'll have to see about that. But I really, really like this. You're going to see me in a lot of these colors. I can't wait to try all this out. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's try this. Okay, because I'm an impatient person. And this glitter gloss, oh my goodness. How do you think it's going to look over red? What do you think? Let's find out. Oh my goodness, look at that. Okay. I have of big, but you know, okay. Oh my. It just kind of deepens that black cherry and gives it that purple glittery look. Oh my goodness. And now it really matches my sweater. What can I say? Oh. I get a better look in the mirror. Yay! I get a better look in the mirror than I do in the viewfinder. Oh, I'm really, really liking that. And it took that black cherry up to like the dark purples in my sweater. Okay, so that's the thing that I did. I am a distributor. So if you are interested at all in any of these colors or finding a color of your own, email me. I do have a website that I guess that they're putting up, but that's on the back burner for now. Just email me and we can talk and I can share my addiction, because isn't that what it's about? I really, really like color. I like, and I told you it's all about the funky colors. You can go to Ulta, you can go to CVS, you can go to Walgreens. I really don't care. You are not going to get the same lasting, you're not getting the same lasting blast, whatever. And you're not going to get the same kind of funky colors. The funky colors are more, I think, for the teenage crowd, but you know, all teenagers have heart, right? So finding the funky colors that you want in a quality product is really not an easy task. So I really, really like this. So here we go. And here's the spiel that you have to put on. You don't have to, but I'm going to. You put on the end of every YouTube video. If you like this content and want to see more funky colors or get more Disney information or more craft, hit that subscribe button below. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video and want to see more. If you actually want to see a color on, give me a thumbs up. Put a comment down below on which was your favorite. I'm going to give you a choice, okay? Which color would you wear, okay? Okay. And all of them don't count. You have to pick one color. Okay, I can't get them out of the bag. I'm such a numbskull. Which color would you wear? Would you wear peacock pearl, chocolate copper, or silver luster? Which ones of these, oops, I can't do anything backwards. Which one of these beautiful colors would you wear? Okay, just curious, let me know. Until next time, have a good day. Make today magical.